Hi, everyone, and welcome to my page. This is an Excel dashboard I created, and this is a great example of some of the services that I can do, anything from just simple cleanup. So right now I have this data that I used for this dashboard, and I cleaned it up, and I put it into a form where I could use it, or all the way to larger dashboards like this, which are really nice and dynamic. So I have some slicers here to show, for instance, I'm using data from the new housing price index, and it will show the yearly growth, and it changes based on the year. And as well, I can link it up to various charts, pick different metros, regions, whatever you need with the data, from just simple, just cleaning the data, formatting it, making it into a simple chart, all the way to advanced dashboards, I can do it. So if you need my services, just give me a call, just contact me in any way, and I'll make sure to do it. Thanks.